बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful handmade crochet items and ideas for home decor and for home storage. I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super incredible and very unique and very amazing crochet ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well. I am also doing well. I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. If you want to make these crochet ideas at home, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet ideas. These are super incredible and very unique crochet home ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always keep supporting my channel viewers. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Always think positive, viewers. Always be positive. These are super incredible. And very latest ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, take care. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Allah Hafiz guys.